I guide you to change language in YouTube mobile. For that, firstly, let's hop into the YouTube. Let's say if you are on your YouTube and you need to change the app language. For that, you need to tap on your profile, which means you here. And after tapping over that, you could find the settings option, which is the gear icon over very top. So you need to tap over that and you need to go ahead into the general. In this case, that is in the over top for me, so I can tap over general. After that, you could find the app language in the general settings, so you need to tap over that. And after that, it will recommend you some of the languages here, and you can select any of the language you want. Let's say I'm scrolling down all over these and I could see many of the languages. So here even it has Thai, Turkish, Spanish also. So Odia and different Indonesian, all the languages are available here. Let's say I'm going over English United Kingdom. So I'm tapping on change here and you could see that has been changed and visible as English United Kingdom. This is how you change language in YouTube mobile. Thank you.